Have you ever wondered what secrets lie in the heart of the mesmerizing region of southwest Tuscany? What if it's not just about the rolling hills, the vineyards, and the rustic charm, but something more profound, something that could inspire a new way of living? This is not just a journey across landscapes, but one of self-discovery and community building. A voyage that blends exploration, learning, and the joy of shared experiences. This is the essence of our upcoming Explore the Region retreat in the captivating region of southwest Tuscany, also referred to as Maremma, a timeless region with ancient roots. A unique territory with blue sea, long beaches, hills covered with woods, flatlands, and green hills. Picture residing amidst the famous Tuscan countryside, soaking in the beauty, the history, and the traditions of this enchanting region. Over the course of 7 days and 6 nights, the retreat unfolds as an exploration not only of the land, but also of alternative ways of living. The journey includes 2 full-day and 1 half-day excursions, traversing the geographic triangle between Volterra, Cecina, and Porto Santo Stefano. Here, the retreat takes on a delightful twist, with wine tasting at an organic winery. But it's not just about the wine. It's about understanding the delicate balance between nature and human intervention, about appreciating the art of winemaking that has been passed down through generations. Alongside this, there is a visit to an established intentional community, an opportunity to witness firsthand the power of shared dreams and collective living. It's a chance to engage with a different kind of society, one that thrives on cooperation and mutual support. This journey is not just about exploring the external world, it is also about going within. Achieve inner balance with daily yoga practices. Engage in enlightening discussions with various experts on alternative living solutions. This retreat is also an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals, to forge relationships with the local community and fellow participants. This vacation merges wellness and creative action into one unforgettable experience. One that enriches your personal journey and additionally contributes to a larger cause, as we explore the region during this retreat in southwest Tuscany this August from the 24th to the 30th. An exploration of land, culture, community, and self, all wrapped up in a 7-day retreat. So dare to dream, dare to explore, and dare to live differently. The mesmerizing region of southwest Tuscany awaits, ready to unfold its secrets and inspire new ways of living. Book now your place and start your journey.